when I needed a rugged tablet for a project, I knew MUNBYN was going to be the solution. So this is their ILTO1. You can see on the manual here. And this one is their their Android 13. This is an 8-inch tablet. As you can see, you've got the standard stuff that you would get with Android, but you also get some testing software for the scanner. So this is a ruggedized tablet, but it also has a barcode scanner built in. This barcode scanner unit has activators, these green buttons on either side. Real easy to get to use. You can use this like a regular tablet, but then you can also run the scanners. It's real easy to scan. Just turn the button and you can see it comes on, it pulses. It's going to attempt to scan at distance and any type of barcode. There's apps in here. You can also install your own. You can go to the Play Store and install anything you need. It's a 8-inch ruggedized tablet. It can withstand lots of abuse, and it's powerful. This one has 4 gigabytes and 64 gigs of storage. It's got the Honeywell N6703 barcode scanner, of course Wi-Fi 5, and 1 and 2D or QR scanning for warehouse or store work. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank MUNBYN for sending us this one to check out.